What a day today. We are certainly not expecting an up 100 day on the Dow. It'll be interesting to see how the markets trade after Barack Obama is done on the CNBC town hall. So with all this action today, what are we doing? There are a number of companies that do not report earnings until after the October expiration. We're already only 26 days away, so we are less than 4 weeks away from October expiration, and it isn't even October yet. We've moved forward call options we have on terribly beat up names like Western Digital and Cisco. We've taken Western Digital out to January, where we own 27 strike calls on WDC that expire in January. On Cisco, we'll only be making a bet into their earnings on November 1st. So we've rolled our October 22 and 24 calls all into November 22 calls that will capture any pop from good earnings. We're sitting tight on our CRE positions. As you know, we are short put spreads at a number of strikes, 55, 52.5, and 50s, all of which expire in October. Today, in a strong tape, CRE has been notably weak. It has since traded up since the lows of the day. Unfortunately, CRE will not report earnings until October 19th, but the options will expire the Friday before. If the stock runs up into earnings, then we will likely be able to get our short put spreads to expire. In many cases, we believe the 50 strikes have a great chance of expiring worthless. It's the 55s and to some degree the 52.5 that will offer the most challenge. Just as we did with Goldman Sachs, we kept you updated with that position. We'll also let you know what we're doing with CRE along the way until we navigate you to profitability on the trade. One stock that jumps out at us today, which is also jumping up today, is Veolia Environment, symbol VE. It is an environmental management services company in Paris, France, that works in water, environmental services, energy services, and transportation. Water and wastewater is a big theme for us, and energy services is a terrific business as well. This company trades at a very reasonable PE, right around 14, with a PEG of less than 2. The company has $14.82 per share in cash, about $7.1 billion in cash, with $28 billion in debt. So leverage is only 1 to 4. The company has a free cash flow of over $800 million, and the dividend is covered many, many times over. The dividend, a whopping 4.8% yield. We really like the company. It's international, and it's part of our longer-term water theme, has a good balance sheet, and is $3 away from its 52-week low and $14 away from the high. That's tremendous risk reward, and you get paid almost 5% just to hold the stock. Hope your day is a good one. Hope the market keeps up those gains. It would be nice. We're looking around for calls to sell against our long positions that have really run. We had a number of things called away from us this morning thanks to Friday's option expiration. So we've raised the cash we wanted from both selling we did over the last few weeks and now options calling away some stock. We'll see what the market gives us, but we're really in a great position. Don't forget to check out the article on CNBC that Jane Wells wrote on us for her Funny Business blog. It's very cool of her to do, and we have also made the outtakes video available to those of you who follow us on Twitter, fan us on Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks again for everyone who has helped support the Parody Video Project. It's been immensely successful, and we have you to thank. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.